Hello, I'm going to talk to you today about how to record stuff really quick and dirty. So your phone is really the easiest way to do this. So just open up your video camera on your phone, and you're gonna take a lot of little you're just gonna take a lot of little tiny short videos of you facing with the camera facing you, and then also flip the camera and show what you're doing. Also, when you do this, you want to make sure you try to look into the camera right there. Otherwise, you get these crazy eyes, like I tend to do. I get these crazy eyes. Crazy eyes! So let's say I'm giving a lesson on math. Here's what we do. You take a quick little thing where you go, this is how we're going to add 2 and 2 together, boys and girls. And then you flip your camera. Here we go. We have 2 plus 2 equals 5. No, that's not right. 2 times 2 equals 5. So now you've got your lesson recorded, and it's really simple and super short. And that's okay, because you want super short. And also you want to record it in little tiny segments. That works really well, because if you go on too long, you end up messing up something or saying a cuss word. Ah, vulture vomit! This also lets you put in little outtakes and stuff, which makes your video lesson very interesting. Turkey! And you can also walk around your room like I'm doing. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's for no particular reason. It's just to keep things interesting and to keep myself moderately dizzy, since now I'm back at school and alcohol's not an option. But I'll tell you what, spinning in your chair sure is. So here's what you got. Now you got a whole bunch of short videos in your phone. You got to get those to somewhere. So one of the easiest things to do is, if you have a Mac, you can do AirDrop, and you can just AirDrop your files straight into your Mac, like I have. Looky here, here's my Mac. It's very slick. I can just drop it right in there. A lot of us don't have a Mac. I do, but you might not. So if you can't AirDrop it directly into your computer, what I would suggest is you have it upload to the cloud automatically, like Dropbox or iCloud or Google Drive. You can just pop it right up there, or even your SharePoint drive, maybe. OneDrive. OneDrive? I have a hard time keeping track of all the different drives, especially my own. So just download it onto your upload it into your online storage, whether it's iCloud or Google Drive or whatever. Then you can have it to manipulate on your Windows machine or your Mac as well. You can use either, I use iMovie in Mac. It's so easy. But you can also use Windows Movie Maker. But there's a better option. See, if you don't have a Mac, oh, it's upside down. Oh, whatever. You could use Filmora. Ta-da! It is the best video editor ever. It says so right there. And it's on the internet, so we know it's true. So you can download it for free, and you can put together your lessons right there. Now, I downloaded it, but it won't let me open it or install it because I'm not as an administrator. So do this. See, you go up here and you right click on it, and it says not open, but run as administrator. You click on that, and all of a sudden you're a magic administrator for your computer. You're the only the administrator for your computer. You're not the administrator for anything else. Who wants to be an administrator at a time like this? That's crazy. So then we're installing it here. Look at it go. This is gonna take forever, so I'm gonna show you on my Mac how I do it first. I'm airdropping it to my Mac. And I'm not gonna worry about opening it. I'm just gonna leave it there. Down here, boom. Then I'm gonna open up a new project, create new. It's gonna be a movie. Boom. Here we go. First thing it asks, import media. Yes, please. And now I'm gonna go to my downloads folder right here, and I'm gonna select all of those things that all of these movies. These are all movies that I just made just now. Gonna select them, and then I'm gonna import all of the selected ones. Boom, just like that. And now poof, they're up here. Look at that. And they're all in order, so I'm gonna do something magic. I'm just gonna select them all. Click here, select all, boom. I drag them all down, pop them in there, look at that. Now, look at that, we have this whole nice timeline of my movie on how to make a movie. This is getting weird. Now I just realized I succumbed to one big mistake is with movies, you shouldn't do it portrait like this because you don't get the screen space. You really want them to be landscape. Anyway, here's how it goes. Now I've got my movie, it's all stitched together there, and I can play it here and I can look at it if I want. I'm going to talk to you today about how to record stuff really quick and dirty.
I just said that.
So then I'm going to share it. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to save it to a file. Oh, here's the file. And I'm going to give that file a name. Like that, boom. And then I'm going to say next, boom. And I'm going to decide where to put it. And then I'm going to save it there. Boom. And now this little guy is going to turn this little circle right here. It's going to show me my progress. I'm not making any progress right now. Well, it will soon. Then you're going to go to YouTube and you can make yourself a channel, your own channel that only your kids can access. And to do that, you just make everything, all the videos that you put up unlisted. And then you'll get a link that you can share in Dojo or in email or in Teams or in who knows whatever program we're going to be using in the next weeks and months. So in your channel, you're going to go to this little camera with the plus sign on it right there. Boom. And you're going to click on that thing. And that's going to come up with upload video. That's what we want to do. Then you can take that file that you had before, right here, and you drag it and you drop right into the YouTube upload window, and whoop, away it goes. Then on your next screens, what you can do, or what you have to do, you have to give it a name and you have to say it's for children, because then they'll keep like the beer ads off of there and inappropriate stuff. It also disables the chat so that, you know, there's no shenanigans going on there. And you want to make sure that it is unlisted. That means if it's private, it's not going to work because you're the only one that can see it if it's private. And you don't want it to be public because then it enables the chat and it's all sorts of mess with anybody seeing it. But you can just have it unlisted, and then anybody with that link can access that video. And then you'll copy and paste that link into Teams or Dojo or email or however you're connecting with your students, and it's good to go.
Ho, ho, it's my